This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and your audio so nothing stalls later. Create and activate a virtual environment, then install Whisper with pip. This isolates dependencies. Place your audio files in a single folder and check formats and sample rates so conversion is smooth. Once done, test a short clip to confirm setup works. Make sure you know the language and expected output format, because that guides model settings and avoids reprocessing long files later. Next, you run transcription and iterate on settings for quality. Pick a model balancing speed and accuracy. Medium is a reliable start. Execute the transcription command with explicit language and task flags so Whisper avoids language detection errors. If results are rough, preprocess audio for noise, or tweak decoding options like beam size and temperature to improve punctuation and word choice. Once you compare outputs, run a longer file using your chosen settings to validate. Finally, export the transcription in your required format and perform a targeted verification pass. Save SRT or VTT for subtitles or plain text for scripts and verify encoding and timestamps. When you find errors, jump to those timecodes and listen while referencing the transcript to correct misheard words. If many issues persist, switch to a larger model, resample audio to a higher rate, or run noise reduction. This single troubleshooting tip, try a larger model, often fixes accuracy problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.